Mastering idioms, understanding, Redline It. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, redline it. This phrase is a great example of how colorful and dynamic the English language can be, so let's get started. The phrase, redline it, comes from the world of automobiles. In this context, the red line refers to the maximum speed or limit that an engine or vehicle can safely operate without causing damage. It's often marked by a red line on the car's tachometer or RPM, revolutions per minute, gauge. When someone says they're going to redline it, they mean they will push the vehicle to its maximum capacity or limit. In modern colloquial English, redline it has taken on a broader meaning. It's used to describe pushing anything to its limits, not just vehicles. This can apply to situations in work, personal life, or even physical exercise. For example, if someone says they're going to redline it on a project at work, they mean they will put in maximum effort to achieve the best result possible. Let's look at how redline it can be used in everyday conversation. 1. I need to finish this report by tonight, so I'm going to redline it until it's done. 2. During the race, I redlined it on the last lap and managed to win. 3. The team is redlining it to meet the project deadline. Notice how in each example, redline it is used to convey the idea of exerting maximum effort or pushing to the limit. While redline it is a useful and vivid phrase, it's important to use it appropriately. It's more informal and better suited for casual conversations or situations where a bit of dramatic flair is acceptable. Also, because it originates from car terminology, it might not be immediately understood by everyone, especially those new to English. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, redline it, confidently in your English conversations. Remember, idioms like this add color and expressiveness to your language skills. Stay tuned for more interesting explorations into English idioms and phrases. Happy learning, and see you next time!